In this video, we will be discussing about VOIP. What is VOIP? Voice over Internet Protocol. As you can see here, the world is connected through the network, but it is through the voice. So let's see what is happening in VOIP. Now, Internet Protocol, when we talk of Internet Protocol, then traditionally the networks were used to send data. Data as in files, text files, video files, audio files. But as the technology improved, then the quality of data being transferred over the internet also increased, and the price that was associated with communicating came down. So users started demanding that they should be able to send voice also over that same internet connection, that using that same internet protocol. However, there is a small glitch there. The glitch is that voice is being sent as an analog signal. However, on internet, the data is being sent as packets. So what VOIP does, what the voice over internet protocol does is that it will convert that voice into data packets so that voice can travel. To do this, many protocols are used. As usual, you need to have sets of rules and regulations for any type of communication over the internet. So these are some of the protocols that are used. H.323, Session Initiation Protocol, that is the SIP, Session Description Protocol, that is the SDP, Media Gateway Control Protocol, that is the MGCP, Real-Time Transport Protocol, that is the RTP, Skype Protocol. Skype has its own set of protocols because it is so widely used all over the world. In this video, we will be discussing H.323 and SIP because they are the most fundamental ones that are being used to establish this voice over internet protocol connection. So it is a voice over IP standard for defining the components, protocols and procedures. Basically, H.323, what it does, it defines the framework for conversion of voice into data packets so that it can travel over the internet. It provides real-time multimedia sessions. So earlier we were just sending data files, but now we have multimedia sessions, audio, video, a combination of all these. Some of the services that are facilitated by H.323 are like IP telephony, video telephony and simultaneously audio, video and data communications. So if you are say using Skype, so you are chatting with that person, you can see that person or you can share your screen with that person, and simultaneously if a supporting document has to be sent, that also you can send. The next protocol is the SIP, Session Initiation Protocol. H.323 was being used to establish the framework. What SIP is doing? SIP is initiating that session so that voice can travel. This protocol establishes, modifies and terminates the multimedia sessions. Now, why it needs to terminate? As you can remember, when data packets are traveling, then in that case they can take different routes to reach its destination. But in the case of voice, it is sometimes like circuit switching. So a established set of rules have to be there and established set of path has to be there between the sender and the receiver. That is done by the SIP. SIP also facilitates multi-party media sessions. What does that mean? That you can have a video conferencing between 5 people who are located physically at 5 corners of the world. So in this video, we have seen how VOIP or voice over internet protocol is being used to transmit voice over the internet. That means we can talk to people over the internet connection. In the next video, we are going to see wireless technologies.